Hello, this is Mike with PlanSwift. Today I'm going to tell you about a time-saving feature that has been added into version 9.4, and that's the copy to clipboard function. To get to the copy to clipboard, we'll simply go to our Page tab. We can click on the copy to clipboard button. That'll allow us to click and drag a fence around what we want to copy. So I'll just grab this image here. That's been copied to my clipboard. Now I can launch a third-party program such as Microsoft Outlook if I want to email that high-resolution image to someone. I can come here and I can hit paste. And you see that's pasted in my image with all the takeoff information visible. And simply fill out my email and send it on its way.